So the idea in this is that a lot of the processes that used to be manual and very boring and tedious can be automated. And in automation, what we hope to do is to make them more objective as well, because if you're doing tedious, boring jobs, quite often you cut corners, skip and do the interesting bits. And quite often, as far as agriculture is concerned, productivity, the boring bits are the ones that really matter. So one of the things we're trying to do is to improve plant productivity, breed new varieties, and improve the existing ones. So the idea in this in the setup that we have here is that the plants are grown down in the two large rooms down there on the carriages that come through into an analysis chamber, and we can go in and have a closer look at that. So,